You know, I mean, I don't want to say full circle because we haven't made it full circle yet.
It's called the jogging game, so we're jogging in place. Good job, and switch. And switch. Y'all are so slow today. You gotta be fast. Ninjas are fast. Ready, switch.
But when I look in that classroom, which is the noise going on in the background right now.
Everybody attention. Junye. Junbi. Our loudest karate yells ever. Ready, 1. And 2.
When I look at that class and I see, 20-something 4 to 6-year-olds in there, and I've got 5 instructors in there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, you got to be serious. You ready to be serious?
Now they're all high school, college age.
Show me that palm heel. All right, as fast and as hard as you can. Hit. There you go. And
But all but one of those guys was actually in that class. I mean, it makes me feel proud, for what we have here. But more importantly, I think it gives me a little faith. A lot of times us old guys say, "Oh, it's this next generation," right? But actually, I have faith in this next generation because I see them every day do amazing things.